In this video, we'll show you how to replace the map sensor on your Ford F-150. This is located in the engine bay and on top of the airbox. Let's get started. We have a small clip holding the wiring harness to the stud. You can just pull up on that. Next, we have a tab on top of the connector. Go ahead and push that down. It can help to push in on the connector while you're doing this. Once the tab's depressed, and you can pull out. It's good to check your terminals for any corrosion or damage. These look good. We have an E6 external Torx bit. Go ahead and loosen that. Go ahead and pull this out. Give it a little twist. Installing the new sensor is just the reverse order of removing the old one. Go ahead and press this down. Make sure the O-ring fully sets in. Install our stud. We'll just snug this down. This just threads into the plastic, so be very careful not to over tighten it. We can plug our electrical connector back in. And make sure that's fully seated, not going to pull back out. And we can press our clip back onto the stud, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.